Welcome to Module CCS04. This is the third presentation in our Introduction to Contamination Control. This session will discuss facility design and maintenance, starting materials, and personnel training. The objective of this session will cover facility design and maintenance, the variety of starting materials used in production, personnel training requirements, environmental monitoring program, and the EMPQ, or Environmental Monitoring Performance Qualification. Quality risk management plays an essential role in the design and management of both new and existing facilities, equipment, processes, and manufacturing activities. During equipment design, specific measures must be incorporated to mitigate contamination risks. This includes selecting materials that are compatible with cleaning and sterilization processes, designing equipment with smooth and cleanable surfaces, and implementing effective contamination mitigation strategies. Cleaner must play a critical role in preventing airborne contaminants from entering manufacturing areas and facilitating the removal of any contaminants that do manage to infiltrate. The implementation of closed or functionally closed processes represent one of the most effective approaches for establishing robust barriers between the product and the environment. Closed systems significantly minimize the risk of external contamination, which ensures a controlled environment where product quality and safety can be maintained consistently. These principles are applicable to both single-use and multi-use equipment within pharmaceutical manufacturing facilities. In pharmaceutical manufacturing, adopting a holistic facility approach involves integrating environmental monitoring as both a detection method and a performance indicator. Robust engineering controls play a crucial role in maintaining the integrity of the manufacturing facility. Establishing viable and non-viable alert limits and implementing responsive processes are essential. These measures ensure timely intervention and mitigation when alert level events occur, safeguarding the manufacturing process and product integrity. Proactively evaluating known facility and equipment issues using quality risk management allows for the identification of additional controls preemptively. This will ensure smoother operation and minimize downtime. Sub-alert level trends serve as an early indication of potential issues, enabling timely actions to maintain operational efficiency and prevent larger problems. Monitoring recovery rates in critical operation zones build resilience and efficiency in response strategies, ensuring robust operational continuity. Thank you for watching this introduction to this module. If you'd like to watch the remainder and get 25% off our Contamination Control Fundamental Program, head over to our website at pharmalliance.ie/training-programs and use code YT25OFF. Please do it now as spaces are limited and it's expiring soon. Thank you for your time, and we'll see you on the next module.